Hello friends, my name is Dr. PM Malik. Currently I am working as a principal and HOD at Education Department. Welcome to my YouTube channel PM Knowledge Hub. Today we will discuss about NTA UGC NET. This video provides a general introduction about UGC NET examination. Age limit, qualifying criteria and pass percentages of the NET exam. Benefits of clearing the UGC NET exam. Let's start to understand all the points one by one. NTA UGC NET. UGC NET or the University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test or NTA UGC NET, that is National Testing Agency, determines the eligibility of an individual for the post of an assistant professor or junior research fellowship, that is JRF, in all Indian colleges and universities. The NET exam was introduced in the year of 1989, widely regarded as one of the hardest exam to clear. The winning percentage of the exam is just 6%. As per the status of the National Testing Agency, the NET exam was conducted in June this year. 9,42,419 candidates applied for the exam, and out of that only merely 55,701 candidates cleared it across 101 different subjects. Up until July 2018, the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, organized the exam. From December of that year, NTA took charge of conducting the exam, that is National Testing Agency. The exams are conducted twice annually, with one exam being conducted in December 2019. One of the biggest plus point that make appearing for UGC NET exam is that no additional certificates or documents should be sent to NTA. The remaining NET exam this year will be conducted on or between the 2nd and 6th of this December, or it will be combined on coming May 2023. Now let's talk about the age limits for 2023 UGC NET. For JRF, candidates above the age of 30 years cannot apply for the exam. There is no upper age limit for candidates appearing for the exam of assistant professor. Now let's talk about the qualifying criteria and pass percentages of the NET exam. Candidates who wish to appear for exam should score a minimum of 55% for general category and a minimum of 50% for others in a master's degree. The examination papers will be divided into two, and in both of these two papers the candidates will face a total of 150 questions, and the exam time limit are 3 hours. The minimum cut of the mark after combining both the papers is 40% for the general category, and for OBC, NCL, SC, ST, PWD and transgender categories 35%. Out of the candidates who have cleared the exam, the top 6% are directly selected for the eligibility of NET lecturership. From the NET qualifiers, a separate merit list will be created for candidates who are eligible for JRF. E-certificates of the qualifying candidates will be available for the candidates in the profile they have created while submitting their online application at the UGC website. Benefits of clearing the UGC NET exam. Opportunity to join top universities as an assistant professor. The most common career scope and job opportunity of qualifying for the NET exam is that you can get appointed as an assistant professor in top universities across India, which is considered one of the most respectable job you can get, with an impressive salary package varying from 25,000 to 40,000 per month as starting salary. Possibility of getting promoted. If you are currently doing research work and you qualify for the NET exam, then you have a better opportunity of getting promoted, and this will open the door for many career possibilities, getting more preference. If you are a UGC NET qualifier, you will be considered an exceptional candidate and the employer will be more attracted to your resume, and this increases the chance of you getting employed. Job opportunities in PSU, that is public sector undertaking. By clearing the NET exam, you have also the opportunity of joining other government organizations, and you have the opportunity of joining any of the PSUs in various departments. Eligibility for JRF fellowship. An additional advantage of qualifying for NET exams with high marks is that you are automatically eligible for a JRF JRF fellowship and get a scholarship amounting to rupees 31,000 for the first 2 years and 35,000 for the remaining tenure. This is a very detailed explanation about NTA UGC NET exam. I hope I am able to make you understand and clarify your doubts regarding NET examination. It is expected that you will find this video useful while thinking about NET examination. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.